Go ahead. Yeet. It's pretty fun. What are we doing, Kyle?
Oh, who the fuck did that?
No jacks. A stick?
Stack on the homepage. Yeah, I need to give me the
Plug that extension cord in right there.
Which one?
For
the lighting. I get the shot. Get the shot.
There. Oh, that's better.
this guy here.
Hold on, hold on.
15?
No, I'm for the clamps.
Oh.
I don't know what that is. An 8 maybe? 10? Probably an 8. We got a stack here, boys. It's going from one silver truck to another silver truck. Down there. Oh yeah. Yep, cheese cherry. Yeet. It's a beautiful thing, these stacks. I think she's gonna sound pretty good. Shoot, buddy. We got a little excited today.
He just wanted the straight pipe, but now we're just throwing the fucking stack on there.
What's this?
Was I right?
Yep.
When you're good, you're good.
When you're good, huh?
No, that's a solid. That's a solid pipe.
Oh yeah. Pretty sure I can put my head in this thing. Hello.
Hello. Okay. He's a leaker. Why am I fucking getting soaked?
Your shirt was hanging in it.
Fuck me.
You know, we should just swap the body. You know,
What?
I'd like something this clean. I
Right.
really would. It's got the same color.
Yeah.
I mean, I need this weight reduction for sure. Like, I gotta go fast, you know?
The fuck are we doing, boys?
Oh, yeah, drilling hole.
Fucking drilling holes with some rigged up shit.
Oh, yeah.
With an impact.
With an impact.
Three hours later.
Oh, we're close.
Oh, man. We're like real close.
Oh shit.
Want to give it a little tap with the hammeroo, huh?
Yeah, I think it's time for the hammer.
Just give it a little hit. Tappy
Little
tap.
taparoo. That's a perfectly circular hole.
Fucking A right. Why is this thing so dark?
Oh, shit.
No, I just hit the wrong button.
Oh, yeah.
It was on, but
Got a nice hole
fucking
here.
heat. Oh, perfectly circular hole, huh?
Wow. Yeet. Oh, I gotta bring her back. No, I lost her.
Huh?
Hey, a little redneck engineering, boys. Goes a long way. Oh, that's hot. Oh, but,
Did you see that shit?
yeah, that's actually impressive as hell.
Is that fucking
All right, well, good, because I'll cut my leg off.
You ready?
Yep. Shit, I gotta get on the other side.
What we got, Kyle?
Well,
We got a fucking cat stack, huh?
that's what happens late nights in the shop. You know,
Oh,
get a little excited, and you put a big old stack on your truck.
Fucking sender.
Cut a hole in the floor, you know.
Yeah.
Bed floor.
In your nice, beautiful truck, just fucking
You
put a
know.
hole in that bitch. Yay.